All right, guys, what's going on? So I hope you're not following me for my charm or for my boats, because today I got a bulldozer.
Ángel la ciencia.
So this is the new one. This is the new project, yo, right here, check it out. So here I got an old D21A Komatsu. Komatsu. Don't really know how it says, but 6-way blade. It's pretty much a mini dozer that I need to clear all this crap out here in the backyard, flatten this out, and redo a lot, but check out them damaged ramps. Now, I'm not the best at welding, and these were kind of just tacked together for cars, and I'm actually surprised it held the dozer up for as long as it did, so I give myself a thumbs up for that. All right, so this dozer is gonna need some work. It doesn't steer. It only goes straight forward, straight back. Now, I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of tinkering around with it. I'm hoping that it's just the brakes in the back, that it's not the clutches. And if it's the clutches, then I'm gonna be taking the whole rear end apart. Other than that, it's pretty much cosmetic stuff. Everything else seems to be working. Tracks seem a little old, a little worn. But other than that, starts up on a dime and runs like a top. So let's get to it. Okay, so now I need to wash it, but I was thinking that the underneath was gonna be worse than it is, but it ain't bad at all. It ain't bad at all. All right, so before I get this all fired up for you, let me show you how this works. So these, on this dozer, this is your brake. And this is your brake. This is to brake both tracks, and this is to brake this track, this track. Now what it's supposed to do is when you're going, you pull this, it stops this track, this one keeps going, turns you that way. Now what's happening is that I think what's going on is that my brake bands are loose or bad. Now, I'm hoping it's just that. I'm hoping it's not the clutches, because they seem to be engaging just fine. When it's in gear, they seem fine. I let go of the clutch, everything seems fine, except for it doesn't brake. Watch. Put it to forward, goes. Oh, kind of turned. This one seems to be turning a little bit every now and then. Oh, we're turning. Woo! That's it. Now if we try it again, see? It's not braking it. The brakes don't work either. So pretty much it's all just the clutch. Try to brake this one. All right, so I'm hoping that it's just the brake bands, because I have no brakes. And I'm hoping that's what's going to be the only problem, that it's not going to be the two clutches in the rear, because other than that, they seem to be engaging just fine. So that'll be for the next video. Thanks.